Hello students of standard 4th, DAV Model Public School Sita Songi. Welcome you all in online session of English. This is Usha. Today's topic is The Foolish Man Part 2. This topic is taken from your English reader. And in the previous part we learned The Foolish Man Part 1. And in that part we learned that was the scene of Emperor Akbar's court, and Akbar asked to Birbal to find out five most foolish men in the Agra, and Birbal started his journey to find out. And Birbal, when he was walking on the street of Agra, he saw that a man lying on his back in the puddle of water, and his arm stretched wide above his head. When he asked that man, "Why are you lying in this way? Why don't you trying to stand up?" Then the man said that he can't do that, because if he will do that, it will be change his position of hand, and he will lose the measurement of the length of the cloth which he want to purchase for his wife. Then it means the Birbal got a foolish fellow as he want. Then he asked that man to he helped the Birbal helped that man for stand up. But at that time also he didn't change his position. His arms stretched wide above his head. And then Birbal asked that fellow to follow him. Then in the next scene, today we are learning. As they moving along, means Birbal and that man. As they move along, Birbal next sees a man riding a horse. Next fellow he saw that a man riding a horse, carrying a bundle of straw on his head. Look at this. A man riding on horse and a bundle of straw on his head, carrying on his head. How foolish. Birbal says, "Why do you carry that straw on your head? Can't you keep it on the horseback behind you?" Then the answer of that man. Second man says, "But I can't do that, sir. This horse is very old and very weak. It might die." That man said that he can't do that because the horse is very old and weak, and because of heavy weight he will be die. Already he has to carry me. Then Birbal said, you are just a person I am looking for. Please follow me." Then means Birbal got another foolish man, because think of that. That man was riding on horse and carrying a bundle of straw on his head. It means load of his own, means man's load and a straw's load on the horse only. But he thought that he is carrying a bundle of straw and he is not loaded that on the horse. Means in this way Birbal got next foolish man. Birbal wandered with the two foolish men following him. The first one with his arms still above his head, the second one still riding his horse with a bundle of straw on his head. Suddenly, Birbal got two foolish men and they are following him. First one was walking on the road, but still his arm above his head, and second one Still he is riding a horse and with a bundle of straw on his head. Then suddenly he sees a man bent in half. Look at this, looking for something under the street light. Look at this, a man bending half, searching something in the street light. Birbal asks him, "What are you searching for?" Third man says, "I have lost my diamond." That man is searching his lost diamond. He lost his diamond and he is searching in the street light. "I have lost my diamond ring somewhere out there in the darkness," pointing to the dark spot far away from where he is standing. How foolish he is. Means he is searching his diamond ring in the street light and he lost his diamond ring in the dark place somewhere out there. Means it is far away from that spot, but he is searching the diamond ring in the light of street light. "Since I could not see over there, I am looking for my ring here in the light." Means he answered that he is searching his diamond ring in that street light because there is a dark place where he lost his ring. That is another place, another spot, and he is searching on the another place where is the light. Then Birbal says, "Please come with me, I will help you to find your ring." Scene 3. Means in this way, Birbal got another foolish man and he asked him to follow him. Follow both of them. Okay. Next scene, third scene, Akbar's court. Now he reached to the Akbar's court. Birbal to Akbar, "Sir, I have brought you the three most foolish men in the city of Agra." Means Birbal says that he got it. He got the three persons. But the emperor asked him for 5 persons. Then what happened? Let's see. Three most foolish men in the city of Agra. I judge them to be foolish from their actions. Akbar says, "Really, very good. But I ask you to bring 5 most foolish men, not 3. Akbar smiles. Akbar said that I asked you for 5 foolish men and you brought only 3. Birbal says, "Sir, the last 2 most foolish men in Agra are you and I." Birbal said that means I got 3 foolish men from outside, but we another 2s are most foolish men are you and me. You means Akbar himself, Akbar and Birbal himself. Because you set me such a foolish task. Means Birbal, Akbar gave him such a foolish task to find out the foolish men from the street of Agra. And because I foolishly carry out of your order. Birbal says that I am also foolish because I am carried your order to find. Started searching 5 foolish men in the street of Agra. That makes 5, doesn't it? Birbal asks. It means together we are 5. Akbar, it does. I certainly does. Now Akbar realized that he gave a foolish task to the Birbal, who is very clever and witty person. This is the lesson. The foolish man means Birbal got 5 foolish men, as according to the Birbal, that 3 from the street and one is the Akbar and another is he himself. So students, learn this chapter, read this chapter and learn all exercise. Okay, bye, thank you, have a nice day.